Playing by ear, understanding the phrase in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase, playing by ear. This expression is common in English, and understanding it can really add to your language skills. So, let's explore what it means and how you can use it in your everyday conversations. Playing by ear has its roots in music. It refers to the ability of a musician to play a piece of music by listening to it, without needing to read the musical notes from a score. This skill requires a good ear for music and the ability to remember and replicate sounds accurately. In everyday English, playing by ear has taken on a broader meaning. It means to handle a situation without a plan, going with the flow or making decisions based on the current circumstances rather than following a predetermined strategy. For example, we don't have an itinerary for our trip. We're just playing it by ear. I'm not sure what questions they'll ask in the interview, so I'll have to play it by ear. Let's look at some scenarios where this phrase is commonly used. In social situations, when you attend a party without knowing many people, you might have to play it by ear to decide whom to talk to. In business, if you're in a meeting and the discussion takes an unexpected turn, you might need to play it by ear to contribute effectively. It's important not to confuse playing by ear with being unprepared. Often, it requires quick thinking and adaptability. It's about making the best of the situation with the knowledge and resources available at the moment. And there you have it. Playing by ear is all about flexibility and responsiveness in different situations. We hope this explanation helps you understand and use this phrase more confidently in your English conversations. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.